Hey everybody, this is Katrina for Immaculate SoftWash, and today we are talking about fall roof cleaning essentials. Let's get started. So the fall is fast approaching, and with it comes a lot of different things. We got back to school, and also most of us at least, are back from vacation or trying to get back into the swing of things in terms of our schedule. So when it comes to your home, things like roof cleaning is something you really shouldn't be putting off for several reasons. Now that your kids are back to school and things are kind of getting back to normal, you're definitely going to be home more often, one would assume, maybe entertaining people, having people coming over for the holidays coming up in the next few months. So things like mold and algae and bacteria are that much more of a concern. Your roof is something that a lot of us don't think about, but it's actually a harbinger of mold, bacteria, germs, and a lot of these kinds of mold and algae can be very, very harmful in terms of breathing it in, and it can also degrade your roof. So if you have insurance on your roof or your home, like most, if not all of us do who are homeowners, you want to keep that in mind, because if that algae has damaged your roof to any extent whatsoever, the insurance company may not cover that roof if you ever need to get it replaced or patched up in any way. So this is also not just an investment in your health, it's an investment in your future and in the value of your property. That algae also accumulates and has layers and layers on top of your roof. It attracts sunlight as well. So you end up paying more than you normally would on your electric bill. And as we're talking here, we're going to see some soft washing transformations that we've done here at Immaculate SoftWash over the years. We've been doing this for over a decade, and these are just some of the many residential and commercial jobs that we've done over the years through the power of soft washing. We take a custom-made approach, and we're going to tailor that cleaning solution to each and every surface on your property. And with us, you can get amazing results like you're going to see here on screen as we're talking. So experience the difference of soft washing. We use cleaning techniques that you cannot get through most companies. The kind of solutions we use are proprietary. We take a lot of pride in what we do. It's very, very comprehensive, and it's meant again to increase your investment, protect your family, and enhance your property, especially during the fall season. We have a quality guarantee, 100% satisfaction quality guarantee, in fact, and we invite you to contact us. Give us a call today. We will set up an in-person estimate for you, again making you a custom-made cleaning plan. That phone number is 407-489-0907, 407-489-0907. You could also visit us online at ImmaculateSoftWash.com or email us at josephjboyer@ImmaculateSoftWash.com. Thank you so much, guys. I am Katrina with Immaculate SoftWash. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.